Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and it's been a few months since I ended the meme campaign over measure totals, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to check in and see how that idea is coming along, right? So, and I tell you, I mean, Microsoft does not make it easy, right? I mean, they redesigned this site. It used to be really easy to see, like what was the top uncompleted ideas, right? But they changed the site, of course, where so we have top ideas here, and then all you can do is like do status, but you can only get like one status at a time. I don't know. It's anyway, it is what it is. So it's kind of a pain to do this. Now we are on page 4. So if I scroll down here to page 4, then here is matrix table grand totals with measures. This is the idea that I've been promoting. So that was, this is what linked, the link for all those memes that linked to this idea. So it's in there, and then there's 20 ideas per page. And of course, it includes completed ideas and all of that. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so this means that this is the 70th idea, the 70th most popular idea ever, like put on this forum, right? So we've got that, but we want to find out where is it currently, right? It's like, so to do that, we need to count all the completed and declined, ideas, right? Because we want to see what's the number of this idea in terms of, the ones that are not complete or have been declined. So we got to count those up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? There's 6. And then we can go to page 3. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That's a nice round number. So 70 minus 50, that'd be 20. So the measure totals is apparently the 20th most popular uncompleted idea that is out there on the ideas site. So I don't think that's too bad. We took an idea that was basically languishing in obscurity, right? And we've now been able to make it the 20th most popular idea that's on there. And this number, I believe this number is still going up. So it's still going up, and it's got a little ways to go. Let's see. The next uncompleted idea is 1744. Calculate measures when live connected to MDX cubes, right? And then 1857. So yeah, it's still got a good 60 votes, 60, 70 votes to go before it surpasses this one. So if you haven't voted for it yet, head on over to the idea site and give it a vote. All right. That's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.